Are you seeing how amazing these knots are? And look, this is completely glueless. If you want to find out more, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but girl, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know where you want.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is from Alipearl. Well, the wig is from Alipearl. This video is from me. So yeah, they have a whole bunch of goodies in the bag, and I'm so excited for you guys to see this hair. It is amazing. Okay, so I'm just taking it out the bag. They have a protective mesh over it, and then they have styrofoam to make sure that the shape keeps. But you can already tell from here, like the knots. When I saw this, I was like, yes. So I'm just carefully taking that off. And this is the hair, you guys. Oh, like, you know when hair looks so good, like edible? Anyways, so this is inside the wig. It's a closure, which is amazing. It has two pins on the side, one at the bottom, and an adjustable band. And you can tell the lace is very HD, so I'm really happy about that. And I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Do you need to pluck? No. Do you need to bleach the knots? No, you don't. You don't need to do anything, you guys. So this is how it looks like when I put it on my head straight out of the bag. Okay, literally straight out of the bag. So I'm looking at it, I'm adjusting it to my head, seeing exactly where I want it to go, and I'm really happy. And it's super HD. You can see the wig cap under. I'll take that off, which is fine. But yeah, this is the hair, you guys. It's beautiful. And so just getting ahead of myself, I've had this for a few weeks, and it's a really good quality wig. I would tell you guys if it's not, but this one is really nice. So now what I need to do, I need to tint the lace. So in order to do that, I'm gonna take my Fenty bronzer along with a flat brush, and I'm gonna put it on there, and then I'm just gonna put it all over the lace. And you want to make sure to focus on the hairline too, and make sure you blend it out properly. And this is a very crucial step because this really makes that, you know, when you put it on your head, it really looks like it's coming from your scalp. So do not skip this step.
Counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5.
All right, so now I'm gonna put the wig right back on, and you guys are going to see what I was talking about. Do you see what I'm talking about? Do you see how nicely it blends? Look at this before and after. Like, I'm so satisfied. I'm so happy. Make sure you find a shade that fits your forehead. I don't use my foundation because my face is much lighter than my forehead. So I use my bronzer for that. Alright, so now I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm going to take my eyebrow scraper to do that. And if you aren't used to doing this, I would suggest taking it off your head first, and then you can just cut right in front of the hairline. Make sure you don't cut on the hairline, and be careful. If you're going to choose to do it this way, then try not to cut yourself either. But yeah, I would suggest that you take it off your head. Alright, and this is how it's looking, you guys. This is so nice. I'm loving it. I've been needing a just like put it on and go type of wig. No frontal, no nothing, just a closure, and this wig is it. So now I'm going to add baby hair, but I'm not gonna cut baby hair and slick it down and stuff like that. I'm just taking a little small section like this on the side, and I'm gonna swoop it right behind my ear. And look at that. You see the difference between this side and that side? Yeah, so it went from looking like a closure to a whole frontal. So this is what I love to do. So I definitely suggest doing that. And you guys, this is it. Like, I'm trying to make this video much longer, but there's no making it long because this wig is so convenient. Like, that's it. I'm loving this hair. I love the texture. It's very bouncy. When it comes to shedding, there's minimal shedding. Of course, curly hair does shed sometimes, but there's minimal sheddings. I've washed this twice already. You can even do like a up style if you wanted to, half up, half down. You can leave it like this, and it's very sturdy. So remember guys, there's no glue, and I'm shaking it around. So girls, don't worry about it just randomly falling off unless somebody's gonna snatch it off your head. But yeah, I'm really feeling myself. I'm loving it. And look, take in the knots. It's amazing. And just to remind you guys that it's completely glueless. I'm taking it off and on my head. So I put on a little bit more makeup and some hoops to look cute for you guys. And yeah, I'm just feeling myself. I love this hair. Shout out to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. This hair is amazing. If you have any questions, don't feel free to comment down below and let me know, and I will try my best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys later. Now you can just watch a video of me loving my hair. Alright, bye for now.